Hey, Joey. Wow! Wow, pen! Nag-video ang baby Joey na mo di ay. Wow! Wow!
Well, go ahead.
Wow! Thank you, Ate Angel.
Yeah.
And also, Kuya Lloydie. Wow! Nag-pent. Yay! Nag-pent ikaw. Wow! Ganahan kay siya, anak.
Nangbutangan sa natog gel. Yay!
Wow, kabalo po tayo siya muna, anak, di anak. Wow! Wow!
I can do this book.
You get, yeah! You did it! Paint color. Sige, tabangan naman kuhanin nila. What kind of drawing? Nice po kayo. Mura na nun siya ka ng kuhan art.
Gani. Oh, ning abstract art.
Una abstract art. Open si Ate Angel, oh. Ayan.
Ako, baby.
Thank you, Ate Kuya. Ganahan kayo na siya, ana. Basta mag-pen-pen na. Ang baba niya, gano. Nurang feeling niya pagkaon. Yami, manggod kayo magdagway. Ana, purple na ang nawong sa water. Wow.
Need more for this.
Okay, but purple.
Purple daw.
Malaghuman na.
Wait, there's some more in the side. No, this side. On the side.
Okay,
done.
Done.
Okay,
Okay, done.
Gari na sa newspaper. Mag-paint.
Wow.
Okay, I'll put this.
Iyahan na.
Ha?
Yeah, project ni.
Project ni Lady.
Wow, ni-appeal si Joey project ni Lloydie.
That is Koreas.
Huh?
That's Koreas.
Koreas?
You know what Koreas is?
Thank you.
Welcome, Joey.
May tanaw, sabi tanaw sa project ni mo, tanaw.
Hey, the baby is
No,
Korean.
baby is gonna be an artist someday.
No, but the baby is curious. That's why he paints like that.
Yes, Korea's painting si Joey.
Oh, ang baby na mo, oh. Yung tabang ang baby na mo.
Hey, can you rip out a page?
Why?
Another page for him.
Another page.
Okay.
Here, baby, oh.
Lingaw kayo siya. Mantong ra nagilom-hilom.
I'm not dirty my hands.
Don't
I can't like fold this one. Because my other painting is on the other side.
Feeling, oh lala, ang table ni ate,
No,
no.
baby. Here, Adri.
No, bebe. Diha lang.
Look, baby.
Look.
Wow.
Tapos, tudloy daw ate. Tudloy sa si ate na
Yeah,
dapat.
baby.
Joey, there, oh.
Wow.
There. Wow! Kabalo na siya. Oh, water and pen sa. Wow.